Well, good morning, everybody. I guess today, let's see, I didn't turn that so I can see what you guys are seeing. Got this new light switch. Needs to go in the daughter's car here. And, of course, that was Phillips. And it's not. Okay. I'll be right back.
I got pretty. I got pretty. I got pretty. You don't have to water her.
Okay, I'm back. The old days of having Phillips screws for stuff or whatever. Notice, looking around, I wanted to see how somebody else done this, but there is no videos out there for replacing this headlight switch. So, I guess. Come on. Metric car, you would have thought that was a metric bolt. Really? Ow! Finally. Oh boy.
So you have to take all that plastic off?
Camera's on. I just... Really? What the... Looks like somebody, whoever worked on this last, over tightened some stuff and, oh, Look at my glasses on the towel. Drake. Let me see that other bolt there. Should be it. Okay. Stop recording.
How?
Holy moly, that was a bolt and a half to get out. Now.
You want me to take that picture now?
Really? Hey, the horn still works. Oh, okay. Well, I guess those two bolts I just took out, I don't know, I got to, because that's part of that yet. Okay. Huh.
Is that where the tape player would go? If I get a tape player?
I don't know what this cut.
Why is it dinging? Never mind. Did you move the seat back?
You see, you gotta reuse this knob. Now I gotta figure out how to get the knob off. It don't pull off. Okay, another tool. Alright, found there is a little slot back here. And that's what it is. Push that in, push on that little slot, then you can get your knobs off. Okay. Oh, that's the other screw there. I'd like tearing half the car apart to get to it. The steering wheel's in the way for you guys. I just seen. Anyway, there's supposed to be 3 screws up there. Then, as you seen, I ended up pulling the cover off. Oh, one more screw. That should work. Let's see. Now, if you need that piece of plastic all the way out, you'll have to take one out here below the cigarette lighter, and then it should all come out. And then there's right here. And I'm using a 7mm socket on these. Down there. And then there's 3 mounting screws for the headlight switch. And this is all pretty much done in real time, except for when I got the phone call here. Her plane is, her dash lights are out. Can't see. So do not tell me. Nice tight fit there. Okay. Come on, retaining clip. Symbol de Mexico. There's one side. I bet you that's the problem, because it looks like the switch has been hot. Ooh, you got lucky. Here's the old switch. See that burnt plug? That's not a good sign. It's funny that I disconnect that and now it says, there's what the good one looks like. So, now. That ain't gonna be a problem. Burnt one was there. So.
Good going, Dad.
Hey! We got dash lights. So that was the problem. Burned out switch. Now to mess this thing back up in there. Make sure both clips, yep, both clipped. Really? Wow. Y'all just seen me pull that out of there. Jeepers creepers. Oh, I love it when a plan comes together. Alright, well there, now we're going back together. They sure didn't give you any extra room to wiggle the switch around with, I'll tell you that. Butterfingers. Okay. For a second there, I thought I was going to have to pull the gauge cluster to get to that, but you just got to finagle it. Wiggle it, grind your teeth, and turn your head sideways a couple times, and you'll get it. Looks like somebody has been under the dash of this car, because there's a mounting screw missing that I didn't take out. Okay, there's that. Now this little cover. Oops. Make sure you get it up over your trip odometer book. Really? Wow.
Don't you have to screw it back in?
Oh, there's a slip there, that's fine. There. Oh. Ow. Oh. And being a contortionist would help working on the car too. Ouch! This didn't hit. I hope you don't. I got it back. Okay. Put the knobs back on. Well, that don't fit very good. Wow. There's the old. That fit real nice. Huh. Don't fit where the thing there. That's kind of a disappointment, but as long as this one holds on, I guess. Okay, I had to turn that, so it would be. Okay, hand me that plastic back and this job will be finished. Come on. Yahoo! Ouch! Oh. Now for the old man to get up. Oh, well, here, now. I goofed and didn't show you from my side, but that was real time. But we had to pop this off, screw up here, screw up there, screw down there, knob. So, I guess this is one job done for the day. Now I gotta go back down to my buddies. Went down there, nobody was there, so I come back home, did this, and we're gonna keep on going. And it's only Monday. So, alright, talk to you later.